Please don't post this.
I won't.
Sure. Okay, time to cut the roof.
Okay, it's official. Who spilled beer up here?
Sorry.
It's all drawn out. This is where Mr. Skylight's going. Or Mrs. Haven't decided yet. And time to grind. Flip it open.
Yeah.
Alright, fast forward to the future. Oh my gosh, it's in! I'm editing the video right now and realized I didn't show you the final thing. So there's that from the inside. And here she is from the out. Oh my gosh. Oh, the roof is yellow. Pollination station in the nation. But she's in. Good morning, world. Happy new day. It's a solar day. We're mounting today, yeah? Yeah. So first we have to prep it up a little bit. Also not a good idea to reinforce these because they don't join at all. So he cut that piece and then we bolted that in, Loctite, bunch of washers, bunch of nuts. And then we're getting the mounting brackets ready, which are then going to mount to this piece of aluminum to bump it up off the roof a little bit. Anything from the electrician?
Let's get it going.
Whacker-doodle-dand. Whacker-doodle-dand.
These are the pieces of aluminum using to put on the top of the bus. All right, we have an update on the plans. These were so janky. It's made out of aluminum, like thin aluminum, as this is too. Realized they're completely unnecessary. I'm just gonna strap this, strap being bolt, straight down. And it skips
Another bracket.
yeah,
On this
extra connection that we don't need. So we're just gonna do that. Smoking. Woo-hoo-hoo! Nice. So we needed a little padding between the aluminum and the bus because there's an angle on the bus's roof. And we're gonna use my old pitching rubber.
I'm gonna get this thing.
It's gonna work. got tips to keeping the roof white. It's turned yellow. But the solar's in. Hazel, you're messing up my video. Dogs. You know what that means. Time to wash the bus. It's so nice out. We're gonna wash the bus, dry the bus, and hopefully get some paint on the bus today. Okay, I need help. I cannot figure out a color. So, after painting the whole bus, I decided I hate that color. And now I'm trying to figure out, like, that's pretty cool. Kind of sick. I think either I'd paint down here white or turquoise. Or we go stealthy dark green. I don't know. Help me out. What do you guys think? Turquoise or forest green? I think that's what I'm between right now. In the comments, put what color you think, because I really need some opinions. I know that my opinion is kind of what is most important, but I don't know. That's pretty bright. That would be more showy and flashy. This would like blend in with nature a little better. I'm stuck. I'm 50-50. I need some help. So please let me know which one you like. Okay, peace. Okay, I lied. One more color option. So this is the original turquoise that you just saw. And then this is a brighter turquoise. It's like a mariner's green. It's very poorly painted, but now we're down to 3 options. Light blue, we'll call it now, turquoise, or forest green. Help me out, let me know. I appreciate you greatly.